Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to get ringtones on your Instinct, and it also works for other phones. So the first place I'm gonna show you is Mixer.com. This website's really good because you could just go on from your Instinct browser and download it. But first you need to make an account by going on this website. And if you have a song already, you could also make your own. But just make an account and then go on your Instinct browser and go from it. You can download it. Uh, the other place I'm gonna show you is Zedge.com, and it's another good website if you want like funny ringtones or just songs. Just search it up. I'm just gonna search up something funny, like funny alarms. Just click on that. Okay. Take a while to load. Okay, just go down and if there's a big play button, you could click on that if you want it to play, or just to get on the ringtone, you gotta click on its name. And something called Z code, and that's if you go on from if you have any other phone, you can just type in the Z code from your browser, but for the Instinct, it doesn't really work for some reason. But I'm just gonna download to PC, and I'm gonna follow those instructions, and I'm just gonna hit start download, save it somewhere. Just gonna save to my desktop really quick. Okay. Okay, there's something else called Rumpkin Uploader, and it lets you upload ringtones, wallpapers. You can upload games and apps using this. Just type in the description box, then hit browse. Then find your song, find your song or your ringtone that you downloaded. Click on it, open. Um, that's the description box, and then here you could if you put your phone number, it'll send you a text message to your phone. And I'm just gonna hit upload. In a while. Okay, it's gonna take you to this screen, and that website right there is where you need to go from your Instinct browser, and you go to that website, and it's gonna give you a code on the top, and when you get to that website, you type in your code and you just say get file, and that's it.